Hitting the daily recommended amount of vitamins and nutrients is pretty low on the priority list for most men. What are those nutrients again? A, B, C, Q, X and T. It's true that many men have the attitude of who knows, and who cares when it comes to getting their daily dose of nutrients, and at best, they may pop a daily multivitamin and call it good. But what if certain vitamins were found to have penis health-enhancing properties? Perhaps that would gain more attention and interest in those vitamin naysayers. Well, as it turns out, there are actually several vitamins that are known to work their magic below the belt, in addition to other areas of the body. One such power player is vitamin D. Learn how this miracle vitamin relates to penis care and may even bring about dramatic changes in terms of erectile health. Vitamin D and sexual health. Known in the medical community as the miracle vitamin, this little baby can indeed perform some miracles in the bedroom. The following are some of the ways that vitamin D can improve the health and wellness of the manhood. Improves sexual functioning. Men who aren't getting enough D, either through food or supplements, are not only placing themselves at risk for weak bones as they age, they are also putting their boners at risk, too. Men who are deficient in this vitamin are much more likely to struggle with erectile dysfunction, meaning they have difficulty getting it up, keeping it up, or both. Improves sperm count. Yup, that's right, a man's swimmers can be impacted by too little vitamin D. Men with a low intake of D tend to have a lower sperm count, which makes it more difficult to get a partner pregnant. Supports cardiovascular health. Vitamin D is very good for the heart and the entire cardiovascular system, and what's good for the heart is good for the penis. The heart and circulatory system are responsible for transporting oxygen-rich blood to the entire body, including the manhood, so if that system begins to fail, the body will divert blood flow to keep the major organs healthy. Though most men think of the penis as a major organ, it is not vital to one's life functioning, so if necessary, the blood flow to the penis will be lessened in favor of keeping, say, the brain, in a good supply of blood. Decreased blood flow means a poor quality erection, so keep that D intake up for the health of the heart and penis. Supports immune functioning. Vitamin D helps keep the body's immune system in fighting condition, equating to fewer sick days, and ultimately, fewer days on which a man has to take a time out from his bedroom activities. Getting enough D. Men who want to reap the benefits of this amazing vitamin can do so by eating vitamin D-dense foods, getting a good dose of sunshine, and using vitamin supplements. Foods such as whole milk, or other dairy products made with whole milk, eggs, portobello mushrooms, salmon, and tuna pack a powerful punch of vitamin D and should find their way into the grocery cart every week. The sunshine is, perhaps, the most fun way to get vitamin D. Soaking up some rays helps pump up the body's natural production of the vitamin, but this is simply not a year-round option for people who experience gloomy, cold winter where outdoor activities are often out of the question. Finally, all natural vitamin supplements are a way to take in the right amount of D every single day. Men hoping to target the penis in particular should use a daily penis vitamin cream. Health professionals recommend Man 1 Man Oil packed with vitamin D and other nutrients. The cream can be applied directly to the penis, for fast, easy absorption right where the nutrients need to be targeted. Make it a part of the daily routine by applying it right after the shower and never be deficient on D again.